If I at least get a dislike. I can't even get, because I can't even get a like, dislike, subscriber. All I can get is viewers. So I'm not, I did say this in the last video. I wasn't going to make any videos, but I kind of have to, or no one's actually going to subscribe, so I just don't know. It's been 4 weeks. I can't find my iPad, and I can't find anything that I record with, so I rarely come do anything for the last 4 weeks. So I will do vlogs one day, sometimes I'll probably record me on my trips and stuff like that. See the actual I can't actually record on it or I also have a tournament. I have an army group on Roblox that people actually join, and I'm in it, and there's a decent amount of people. On the stage that I'm at, no one else is at. I'm the only person at the stage that I'm at. There's a tournament, and I got knocked out straight away. I was against the person that was the instructor, and I lost. So if I won anyways, it would still be hard. I enjoyed it a lot, but we have another season coming up, so join the army group, which I can't show you yet, but I will with the recorder in my next video today. Okay, I'm going to upload 2 videos. I can't even do a video every day, so to do 2 videos in 1 day is amazing. So I just want to say, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll make an outro and intro, and for 1 subscriber I'll make an intro, an outro, and anything else you put down in the comments that you want. I'm not sure what I'm going to name this video, so by the time it's named, do not tell me what I named it, because I already know. I'm not sure what I'm going to name it yet, but I will be naming it today, because I have to upload today. I'm not going to really edit it that much, like music or anything. I'm not really going to do that much for it, so yeah, I have to get the new recorder set up. Yeah, I'll edit this video. Next video is going to be in a couple of minutes or a couple of seconds, depends. I might have to watch some YouTube videos or anything, so it's going to be very uploaded. So I'm not telling you guys one thing right, because I know I get rid of it, but try get rid of it that fast. So the next episode that I'm making on Roblox will probably be very less edited than before, and then the video after that will come. So that will be the one that I will be editing tomorrow. That one I will start to do daily videos. I'll try to do either